we can't thank you enough. And Farah did say you're the best AD team in the world. Yeah, but she lied. इतनी गाली पड़ती थी तुम लोगों को, but
गाली खा के टिके हुए इसलिए बेस्ट है.
इसलिए you are the best team. Exactly what I was saying. But you were really there because you really loved the film and what we were standing for. And here is the fruit of your labor. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all of you.
A pleasant and happy evening to everyone.
Is that Sumit? Is that Sumit? Sumit, is that you?
Yes. Yeah.
Hello Sumit, how are you?
Yeah, I'm trying to be okay. Yeah.
Where's my chocolate?
Yeah.
You get her chocolate?
Every time. Every time.
Farah, आप लोगों ने सबको थैंक यू किया. Let me also thank your promotional and communication team, Madhvi.
I forgot
Mandvi,
1 minute. Yes, Mandvi, and most importantly, Trigger Happy, who has made this wonderful trailer for us. We have to thank them.
So we thank Mandvi also.
And Mandvi.
Okay,
and T-Series, who's glaring at me from here.
Yeah.
Thank you, Bhushan, Vinod.
Mr. Khan, you are the senior most over here and the producer.
No, Baman is by far the senior most.
Do you think Baman is younger than Shah Rukh?
Yeah.
Security is आदमी को बाहर फेंक दो.
So, Shah Rukh, could you please allow me if I can ask Farah and then come back to you?
बेटा जो करना है तो बुड्ढा बोल दिया तो मैं जो करना कर दूं. तो लगता है कि ये पूरी की पूरी सभा तेरे बाप की है. जो करना है तू कर बेटा.
Yes, Sumit, yes.
फरा, ऐसा क्यों सोचा आपने कि 24 अगस्त 2014 को 5:15 पर आप सहारा स्टार होटल के नए ऑडिटोरियम में अपने फिल्म का ट्रेलर लॉन्च करेंगे?
क्योंकि आपकी गणित बहुत अच्छी है इसलिए.
एक्चुअली ये तो शाहरुख की आंसर कर सकते हैं और करीम एंड करुणा एंड वेंकी वी वांटेड क्योंकि
हमारी जो फिल्म का कॉन्सेप्ट है जैसा एक फुल हमारी कोशिश ये है कि एक क्विंटेसेंशियल अल्टीमेट बॉलीवुड फिल्म बनाएं जिसमें हर वो चीज़ है और उस तमीज़ और उस खुशी और उस बड़प्पन के साथ है कि हमारी इज्जत बढ़े हमारे देशवासियों की. एंड इसके अंदर एक पेट्रियाटिक एंगल भी है इंडिया वाले का. हमारे दोस्त रोहित की फिल्म आ रही थी सिंघम. नॉर्मली फिल्म का ट्रेलर जो है किसी फिल्म के साथ लगाया जाता है थर्सडे फ्राइडे को. तो हर चीज़ जो है एक समा बन गया और हमें लगा हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट इंडिया वाले है. 14 अगस्त को या 15 अगस्त को हमारा ट्रेलर थिएटर्स में रिलीज़ होगा. एंड हमारी जो सारी टीम है उनको ऐसा लगा ये वक्त सही है तो हमने कर दिया. और आई एम सॉरी इफ इट फील्स रॉन्ग.
नो, वेरी गुड.
Thank
अब
you.
इसके बाद सारे ऑनलाइन लग जाएगी इस ऑडिटोरियम में.
अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ बेटा. उसके बाद बहुत बातें करनी है.
आप लोग जल्दी में हैं? नहीं. ओके. फरा, पहली बार आपने इंडिया से बाहर शूटिंग की है, ऐसा क्यों?
स्क्रिप्ट की डिमांड थी सुमित. मतलब जो न्यू ईयर था वो दुबई में होता है और इसीलिए क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट में लिखा गया था ऐसा.
फरा, यही होता है कि हर साल सब लोग आप लोग दुबई चले जाते हो. 31 से लेकर 3 तारीख तक सब लोग दुबई में.
मैं पहली बार गई हूँ दुबई यार.
पर लोग दुबई जाते क्यों हैं स्टार से?
हाँ सॉरी, क्यों गए थे तुम लोग दुबई? कम वक्त तो
एक बात करना. अभी ये शो के बाद में जो तू पी के आया मुझको भी पिलाना प्लीज यार. बहुत मजा आ रहा है मेरे को यार. हमको भी उतना ही मजा करना है जितना मजा तू कर रहा है इस वक्त.
शाहरुख, एक चीज मुझे बताइए, इन दिनों आपकी सारी जो फिल्म्स आती हैं
1.5 साल बाद आई है दोस्त. इन दोनों मतलब ऐसे बोला हर हफ्ते एक पिक्चर आती है मेरी.
मतलब
हाँ ठीक है. बोल.
UA होती है, A होती है, ये कौन सी होगी?
ए नहीं हुई है. इसकी कौन सी पिक्चर ए हुई है? यू हैव डन अ ए मूवी?
वो देख कर आया. तुम जो पी कर आया जो देख कर आया मुझे मालूम नहीं दोस्त. बट हाँ
मतलब ये UA होगी या क्या होगी?
मुझे पता नहीं.
ये UAE में बनाई गई है. UAE में इसकी शूटिंग हुई है. दैट इज वेयर सुमित
UAE होगी.
UAE में.
अच्छा, आपने इससे पहले कहा था कि आपकी हर फिल्म में आपकी हीरोइन का नाम सबसे पहले आएगा, तो इस फिल्म में भी ये होगा?
जी, विवान का नाम सबसे पहले आ रहा है.
शाहरुख, Shahrukh, Sakhi from Headlines Today and Aaj Tak. I want to ask you and Farah, you guys are going to be touring US and Canada in the next coming month. With
I think
your
Canada is not
son.
happening. I just want to announce, if I'm not mistaken, Cine Yug is here. I think Toronto is... okay, Vancouver might happen here. Okay, sorry, Canada's there. Yeah, sorry, Toronto's not happening. Sorry.
Okay,
Yeah, Sakhi.
I just want to ask you, where did this idea come along? And Shahrukh, you've been a marketing whiz in your past projects. Was this your idea as well, to go around on a world tour taking this movie?
Sakhi, it's very simple actually. I find this very strange when people talk about me being a marketing XYZ. I have a team of people who are wonderful, who we named. There's Venki sir, Manesh, Gaurav, Manish, Karuna. They're wonderful people who know we are the creative team of the film, and we like to keep ourselves away from any other aspect of the film than creating it. And I haven't done a world tour for 10 years now. The last was Temptations. I've just reloaded it and done it in smaller places and in a smaller level. And then you have this wonderful cast of people, so talented, a film about dancing. And I just kind of requested them, you know, guys, I haven't done a world tour. Some of them haven't done a world tour for some time. So I said, you know what, we have enough of a team here. So why can't we just go and try and do a world tour?
Film organically lends itself to a tour like that, I think.
Having said that, you know, the world tour is actually very generic and honest to being a world tour. It's a mix of every song, dance, sequences that we've done over the last 8-10 years. But it's a good excuse. मतलब ऐसा था, मौका है, दस्तूर है, तो ऐसा लगा कि ये भी कर देते हैं. But in a certain sense, it is not in any which way as a marketing thought. We've been talking about world tours, all of us. Deepika, myself, Farah said it, Abhishek and me have spoken about it. So somewhere down the line it fell into place. We've had such a great time making this film for the last year and a half that we thought, you know, if the team continues, you miss each other. Like tonight for me is an extremely poignant and sad night because the film goes out to the public. It doesn't remain ours. And you want to stay with the team which has created such a wonderful sequencing together. And I've asked just to rest everyone because I keep reading it on tweet. Vishal Shekhar also to be a part of it, but they're busy. They just have done a world tour. That's why. It's no other reason. But I would like the whole team to, you know, stay as long as we can till the film releases, inshallah. So it's not a part of the marketing. If it adds on to the film, it'll be wonderful. And if it doesn't, I think it'll still be very wonderful.
Hello. Hi, this is Seema from Bombay Times. Shahrukh and Deepika, this is your first heist film. So how exciting and interesting was it for you? Whereas Abhishek has done these kind of films in the past.
But
So
he's
how
always
different was it for
caught
Abhishek?
he's always caught the bad guys. He's never himself.
You evidently have not seen any of my films, Farah. I've never caught the bad
Oh,
guy.
sorry.
The most hopeless cop there is in the industry.
Sorry, he's never caught, but like, okay, you know what I mean.
Heisty with you. That we'll discuss later. It's actually one of my first sort of this kind of film. I've usually largely done love stories, romantic comedies, but you're right, this is one of the first time. And what was different also was the fact that Farah was directing me in a film like this. Om Shanti Om was a pure, you know, love story, whereas there is of course the love angle, but the focus is not necessarily that. There's a lot more of the heist. Interesting, different.
I think we both look very good in tights. You know, the heist costume, we look very, very cool. So I enjoyed that part of it.
And the ballet tutus?
Yeah, we'll talk about that to your
I
children.
must say that was by far the most macho thing all my guys have done. Wearing tights and ballet tutus, not many men would agree to that.
Anybody else? We can do
Hi,
last three
Shahrukh.
for questions. Yeah.
Hi, शाहरुख दी सोमदत्ता फ्रॉम ब्लॉकबस्टर. पहले तो बहुत बहुत मुबारक, बहुत अच्छा ट्रेलर है.
पक्का अच्छा लगा ना?
बहुत ज्यादा.
We forgot to ask you all, did you like the trailer,
Yeah,
guys?
really. It's nice,
The
man.
prologue, very
Yeah, it's very nice.
Thank you.
मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि इतने साल हो गए, इतनी मूवीज आ गई, पर फिर भी जब वो पहली झलक आती है ट्रेलर की, तो उससे पहले फीलिंग क्या होती है? क्या चलता है दिल के अंदर के कैसा होगा, कैसा रिस्पॉन्स आएगा?
Our own trailer or someone else's trailer?
Of course, your film's trailer.
No, I also get very excited to see the first look of any film that is coming because वो आपको पूरी that is your first impression like they say. तो वो बहुत important होता है और स्पेशली आज के ज़माने में वो बहुत ज़्यादा important हो गया है. क्योंकि everyone just judges you on the first look that is going to come. So for me, when I see somebody else's trailer also, I get very excited and I want to see what story are they going to tell me.